Let's take a look at using symbols to show mathematical relationships between numbers. We're going to look at less than, or greater than, or equal to. An equation is a mathematical relationship that contains an equal sign. 10 equals 10 is an equation, and it's an equation that is true. An equation can also be false. 10 equals 8 is an equation that is false. 10 is not equal to 8. There is another symbol that we can use, and it means is not equal to. It looks like this, an equal sign with a line drawn through it. So we could write 10 is not equal to 8. That would be a true statement. Here's the definition for an inequality. An inequality is a mathematical relationship that contains an inequality symbol. Look at these two inequality symbols. Greater than points to the right, less than points to the left. We're going to use it to compare the numbers 10 and 8. We know that 10 is greater than 8, or we could say that 8 is less than 10. There are two ways that we could say this, and two ways that we could write it. If we said 10 is greater than 8, we could use the greater than symbol. So now we have 10 is greater than 8. Or we could say that 8 is less than 10, and we'll use the less than symbol. 8 is less than 10. Notice that in both examples, the inequality symbol is always pointing to the smaller number. We're going to create true statements. Using less than or greater to create a true statement and show the relationship between two numbers. Here are our two numbers, 126,304 and 142,000. Just by looking at this, we all probably recognize what is the bigger number. And in order to have a relationship that gives us a true statement, we would use the less than symbol. So now we have 126,304 is less than 142,000. Again, our inequality symbol points to the smaller number. So because 126,304 is less than 142,000, we use the less than symbol. These next two numbers are pretty obvious. We have 48,090 and 12,489. We already know what the smaller number is, and remember, our inequality symbol points to it. And if we read it now that we've exchanged it for our question mark, we can read this as 48,090 is greater than 12,489. Because 48,090 is greater than 12,489, we use the greater than symbol.